So your CNC seamless machine is going to come including a tablet, a striker, a hard copy of the manual, your electrical connector, your base machine, and your oxyacetylene attachment, including a #1 tip. Other accessories you may want to bring with you to operate the machine include a set of pliers, welding gloves, a slag hammer, your steel brush, a thumb drive for potentially uploading external files, and then your PPE equipment, including your safety glasses. And if you're going to be welding for a long time, you're going to want to bring a welding jacket as well. Additionally, you're going to want to bring your own set of oxyacetylene bottles, whether they're portable bottles or a full-on oxyacetylene setup, and make sure they have the regulators included. So the first step to operating your CNC seamless machine is taking it out of the compact carrying case. Undo the latches on the side of our 20-inch by 20-inch by 10-inch case and take out the base machine. So this machine comes in the locked form. So basically what's going to happen is your arm is going to be locked out, and you can see the electromagnet on the bottom. When you're carrying it around, you're going to want to carry it in that format with the arm in the locked out position. To unlock it, you want to rotate it counterclockwise a bit, push down, and then unrotate it so it's freely out. Next, we're going to attach the oxyacetylene manifold. So the CNC Seamless is a modular CNC system. Currently, we have this oxyacetylene attachment, and in future versions, we're going to introduce plasma and hard facing. So for now, we're going to slide on the oxyacetylene manifold onto the back of the base machine, just in the ridges there, and we're going to connect the oxyacetylene bottles after we plug in, or after we attach the second arm. Second arm has a taper on it, and so what we're going to do is slide this onto the base arm and put the handle through the bottom of it so we can connect the whole CNC Seamless machine together with a nice rigid connection. So now we've got our oxyacetylene arm adjusted. We're going to go ahead and connect to power. The CNC Seamless carrying case includes the power cord. You're just going to plug into any 110 outlet and then plug into the back of the base machine by finding the groove in the connector, so you make sure you're plugging it in the right orientation. Okay. So next, we're going to connect the oxyacetylene bottles. So the green is going to be your oxygen. We're going to plug that into the right where it says oxygen in. And then we're going to connect the acetylene, which is going to be the opposite hand threaded to tighten it. All right. And so now we have our oxyacetylene connected and hand tight. We're going to go ahead and tighten it down with our pliers. Make sure there's not going to be any gas leaks while we're operating. And then we're going to slide our manifold all the way onto the rest of the machine so that we have that electrical connection between the manifold and the base machine. And finally, to lock it into place, flip this cam lock down. And now you're set up and ready to connect your tablet.